Have you been wondering how to use geranium essential oil? Its lilac pink petals are beloved for their beauty and sweet aroma. In aromatherapy, geranium is well regarded for its many wonderful therapeutic properties. If you're on the fence about geranium or could use another reason to love it, I'll discuss the top benefits and uses of geranium essential oil and why this floral oil is so popular and prestigious in aromatherapy. Hi, I'm Lori Funderburk, an essential oil user and educator. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. I'm excited to give you the chance to grab my free Essential Oils Made Easy guide. All you got to do is click the description below to find that link. So, how can you use geranium essential oil? Enhance your daily skincare routine by adding a little dose of geranium essential oil. Use 1 or 2 drops of geranium oil on your face daily to promote a glowing, even skin tone. Transform the look of your hair by enriching your hair care routine with the use of geranium essential oil. Your shampoo and conditioner may be good, but with the added hair benefits of geranium oil, they will be even better. Start this transformation by adding a few drops of geranium oil to your shampoo and conditioner. The addition of geranium oil to your daily hair care routine will give your hair a radiant and healthy glow. Plus, you'll smell the wonderful aroma of geranium essential oil on your hair throughout the day. Want to improve the appearance of your skin? Geranium essential oil is the answer. After a shower, apply geranium essential oil to your skin to give it a smoothing effect. One of geranium essential oil's key benefits is promoting the appearances of clear and healthy skin. Sometimes feeling of stress and anxiousness can get in the way of daily living, right? For those frustrating or uneasy moments, make sure to take advantage of the aromatic benefits of geranium essential oil. Place 1 drop in the palm of your hands, then rub your hands together. And once you've rubbed the oil in your hands, cup your hands over your nose and mouth and breathe slowly. As you breathe in the aroma of geranium essential oil, you will feel the calming, grounding effect it has on your emotions. Geranium essential oil comes in handy when unwanted insects wander into the house too, because of the chemical components found in geranium essential oil. It can be useful for naturally repelling insects. Add a drop to a cotton ball and place it in corners where insects are likely to be found. Need a libido boost? Massage geranium and fractionated coconut oil over abdomen or take a drop under the tongue. It will do wonders. You can use geranium essential oil topically, aromatically, and internally. It's all part of taking control of your family's health naturally. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.